Today we're bringing back that 80s classic chicken supreme. It makes a delicious creamy chicken dinner and it's ready in about 30 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Now you know I love a creamy sauce and this one is packed with lots of extras with some sliced earthy mushrooms, crispy pancetta and of course that pan-fried chicken. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by frying off the pancetta. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Now we're going to add in 150 grams, which is about 5.3 ounces of pancetta cubes. We're going to fry them for about 5 minutes, stirring often until that pancetta is lovely and golden and crisp. Now one of Chris's favourite mottos is that everything tastes better with bacon. So we're going to add some cooked pancetta to our chicken supreme, and that's what we're going to start with. Remove the pancetta from the pan using a slotted spoon so we leave that lovely bacony oil behind, and place the pancetta in a bowl lined with some kitchen paper to drain off the excess fat. Okay, let's put that pancetta to one side for later. Now we're going to talk about the cut of chicken. So the name Chicken Supreme comes from the actual cut of chicken that we're going to be using. And this is a boneless chicken breast that has still got the skin on and has also got a little bit of the wing still attached. Now you can get this from some larger supermarkets and from your butchers, but I'm aware that you might not be able to get hold of it, so a skin-on chicken breast will work just as well. So we're going to sprinkle the skin of the chicken supremes with half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and then we're going to place in the pan, skin side down, still over a medium to high heat in that lovely bacon fat. We'll cook for about 5 to 6 minutes until that skin is lovely and golden, and then turn the chicken over. Now make a little bit of space in the pan. You can pile the chicken up if you want to, and we're going to add in some mushrooms. I'm using 200 grams, which is about 4 ounces of sliced chestnut mushrooms. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes, moving the mushrooms around until they start to soften slightly. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic and cook for 1 further minute while stirring. Now we add in 120 ml, which is about half a cup of dry white wine. You can replace it with chicken stock if you prefer. Now allow that wine to come to a bubble, and then we're going to reduce it by half, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. And now we add in the last couple of ingredients. So in goes 120 ml or half a cup of chicken stock and 240 ml, which is about a cup of double or heavy cream. Stir together and bring to the boil. Then we want to arrange those chicken pieces in the sauce. Allow the sauce to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is thoroughly cooked through and the sauce has thickened. Okay, now we're going to sprinkle over that cooked pancetta from earlier. We're just going to heat it through for 1 more minute and then turn off the heat, and we're ready to serve. I like to serve mine over creamy mashed potato with some steamed green vegetables and a good grind of black pepper. And there you go, what an absolute classic. I love it. Now I know Chris is going to be picking the mushrooms out of that creamy sauce, but the added bacon means that he won't complain. Now if you want to see some more of our creamy chicken recipes, then check them out here. See you next time.